That's the keyboard temperature, see? I'm not joking, yes. 42 degrees Celsius, 107. That's the board, that's the keyboard. You know what I say? Burns you, I'm not joking. And guess what I was doing with it? This. That's all I was doing with it. Charging. That's what charging brings. You know, I was with this computer for almost 3 years. You don't think I realize what I'm supposed to expect from this computer? Come on, folks. 42. I didn't do anything weird about it. Swear to God. It's not the processor. The processor, I know it looks like, 50, 60. But that's a very normal temperature for the processor. You know, when it's 50, 60, 70 degrees, the palm rest is supposed to be at 30. Now it's at 37. In Celsius, that's worlds apart. Trust me. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Okay, 42 degrees. Where is the heat coming from? Let me tell you where it is. And why is this heated up? It's from the electrocution and why, well, this computer has gotten its motherboard replaced. And they put in a bad power management unit. Right? That's the computer. I can't make this up. This is just maddening, folks. I finally captured evidence of the computer. I didn't test it out too much, but look. We launched the battery monitor. 1 second. And you look at this. It says 118 cycles, and the battery capacity is at 95%. Folks, that is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. And the palm rest, believe it or not, right now should still be at a high temperature because we're not done with fast charging yet. Now, there's only one charger that came in the box, so there's no fast or slow charging, but this is still, I guess, relatively high current, high voltage charging. I mean, who would expect, for God's sake, to use a laptop never plugged in? This thing, in reality, only lasts 4 hours. I mean, I'm trying to ruin my life here. Oh, actually, they are trying to ruin my life here. Look at this. Palm rest, 39 degrees. Palm rest, in case you didn't know, is this little area right here.